Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself juggling data across multiple Google Sheets and just wish there was an easier way to bring it all into one place, today's your lucky day. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Google Sheets together step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly merge data from two different sheets into a single, organized master sheet using a powerful feature called Query. Whether you're keeping track of lists, inventory, or survey results, this trick will seriously save you time and help you work smarter. Let's dive in. First up, make sure you're signed into your Google account and ideally already in Gmail. From here, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see that grid, or what we often call the Google Apps icon. It looks like 9 little dots arranged in a square. Give that a click. This will pull up a whole menu of Google services. Go ahead and find Google Sheets among the options and select it. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down. Clicking this takes you right into Google Sheets, where all your recent spreadsheets are waiting. Now suppose you already have two sheets full of data. Our goal is to combine that information into a third sheet for easy viewing and management. Here, how you'll set that up. First, create a new blank sheet within your existing Google Sheets file. Think of this as your combination or summary page. You can do this by clicking the little plus sign at the bottom left, right next to your other sheet tabs. This empty sheet is where all your merged data will end up. Once you're on your third empty sheet, click into the very first cell where you want the data to begin. A1 is usually a safe choice. Now here comes the magical formula. Begin typing equals query. What we're doing here is telling Google Sheets we want to grab information through a query, which is just a fancy way of saying we're requesting specific data. Now it's time to point to your existing sheets. Still in that formula, navigate to your Sheet 1 tab. Click and drag to select all the data you want to combine. This might be a table of student names, a product inventory list, or anything else. You'll notice the formula is picking up your selection. After you've highlighted everything from Sheet 1, type a semicolon. That's the symbol. This tells Google Sheets you want to add more data, not just from one place. Next, still inside the curly brackets, go over to Sheet 2 and repeat the selection process. Click and drag all your data as before. Then close the curly bracket by typing right after your second selection. Now we want to clean things up a bit. Outside of the curly brackets but still inside the parenthesis type, select where col1 is not null. What this part means is, only pull in rows where there's real data in the first column. You won't get any empty rows cluttering things up. Finish off your formula with a closing parenthesis and then hit enter. Give it a moment to process. Google Sheets will grab data from both Sheet 1 and Sheet 2, stitch them together, and present it all right here in your summary sheet. If you don't see the data immediately, double-check your formula for any small typos, like a missing curly bracket or an extra comma. Mistakes happen to the best of us. And that's it. You now have a dynamic, combined sheet that automatically updates whenever you make changes to the original data in either of the two sheets. Pretty cool, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or want to see more examples like this, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.